Ladies and gentlemen, my goal is not to destroy you. Science has progressed. Technology has reached the top of this universe. Medicine has much an honorable place. My goal is to destroy the arrogance of yours, that mankind is superior to nature. You have invented countless aeroplanes. You have manufactured intercontinental missiles. You went about boasting of what you possess. Now, why don't you use your power? Why don't you use your wealth to destroy me? Why don't you use your nuclear weapons to make me disappear? In the name of caste and creed, you are divided. But I treat all of you on an equal ground. Know that I am superior to you. In the name of religion, you slaughtered each other in the past. But now, you have come together to offer pujas, read Bible, and recite mantras to make me disappear. Therefore, in this very moment, know that there is something greater than your wealth. There is something greater than your power. Know, understand, and be wise hereafter. My gift to you is loneliness. Renounce caste, religion, and discrimination between rich and the poor. Come out of this isolation, now purified with a fresh and a new thinking. Yours sincerely, Corona.